Hi everyone, this is Annapunya and welcome to my crochet channel. In today's video we will see how to do a decrease in double crochet. So I have a row of double crochet stitches. Now I need to decrease the stitches. So for that we'll start doing our double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through the first two loops. So now you can see we have two loops in the hook. Just keep it as it is. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through. You can see we have 4 stitches in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 stitches. Next step is yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So now we have decreased 1 stitch. This is how you will do a decrease in your crochet project. We can see it one more time. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through. We have 3 loops in our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. We have 2 loops left. Keep it as it is. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through a loop. We have 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, leaving 3 loops in the hook. This time we have to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So you can see our stitches are getting decreasing. This is how you will do a decrease in the crochet project. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Happy crocheting, bye!